Alright, what is going on, guys? It is your boy Philip from Defyde Garage. Now I'm here with my brother right here. We are in a pickup truck, as you guys can not see, but there is a trailer back there. Now, we bid on the new Defyde project yesterday. It is gonna be probably the nicest project we've had so far, and my favorite. Actually, it's one of my dream cars. So we're gonna go ahead and go and pick it up today. We just stopped by the bank because we had to get like a cashier's check because we're going to the IAA auction. I'm super excited to show you guys this new build and just what's gonna come with it. The cool videos we should be able to film along with this new car. So I'm not gonna reveal it just yet, so keep watching the video. Once we actually pick up the vehicle, I will reveal it to you guys. So we have about an hour and a half drive to the auction. I will get back to you guys once we actually make it there. Now, if you want to take a guess at what the car might be, make sure to comment down below right now before you get to the next part of the video. And we will see you guys once we get there. Goodbye for now. Anyways, we're about to pick up the car. I'm gonna record just some footage of the car getting put on the back of the trailer. So you guys will see that in just a second. We're just waiting for them to bring it out. So let's just see when that comes out. All right, there it is, people. The M4. There it is. Keys inside. All right, so sorry if there's any background noise, but we just made it back to our house. Now the M4 is right there. It is on the tow truck. I'm gonna go ahead and just take some videos of the car on the tow truck, and then we're gonna actually unload it. So I'll kind of put the camera up so you guys can watch that. All right, so we're gonna start the car in order to get it off the ramps. So we're gonna go up here and see how it starts. All right, guys, so it is the next day. We got the BMW M4 right behind me. I am so excited for this project. Now, we delivered it yesterday. You guys saw some of the scenes of us going to pick it up. They didn't let me record at the auction. I'm not sure why. It might be a liability thing for the forklift drivers there. Like the tractors, the big yellow thing, whatever. But anyways, we brought it back. We had to do some maneuvering to get it off the trailer like you guys just saw. The car is finally in its resting place for the time being. We're just gonna go around, kind of do like a visual first inspection of the whole car. Now, we kind of knew the damage based off the pictures, but we're gonna see if there's anything we didn't notice. Right off the bat, it looks like this bumper is most likely repairable. The lip will have to be replaced. This is a nice weave, very nice carbon fiber lip. We should be able to save it, which is good because this is a very expensive bumper. It looks like there are scratches on the hood, unfortunately, slightly. If you guys can see those, hopefully those can buff out. The fender looks fairly good. It looks like the little M badge that sits right here fell off, or the dude took it off maybe as like a memorabilia. the mirror is gone, as you can see. We got our wires chilling, actually 3. It almost looks like they just cut them off, which is kind of annoying, but we'll get to that when we get to that. Now, just off of looking right here, I do notice that this pillar spot is dented. Now, hopefully, when we buy the new quarter panel, because this needs, as you guys can see the damage, this needs a new quarter panel. I don't know what this person hit. I've kind of tried to guess what this guy hit, but as you guys can see, the rim is like completely destroyed. When you lift this up, this whole rim moves like left, right, twists. All the suspension arms, the control arms, tie rod, everything is bent or broken. So this will need a whole new suspension. Moving on here, like I said, the pillar, hopefully, I believe the new quarter panel comes from the very rear to the pillar over there. So hopefully, when we replace this whole section, hopefully there's no damage underneath. It can get fixed all the way through and we don't have to do any like weird splicing over there. One thing I did not realize was this car actually has a carbon fiber roof right here. Carbon fiber. Now this car has carbon fiber everywhere. I didn't realize it had this much until I actually saw the car today. Okay, so it looks like someone tinted the rear taillights. I thought they were stock like this, but someone did tint them. This rear bumper is good. It also has this insanely cool, like huge carbon fiber diffuser here. Now, it got like, I don't even know, because if you look online, most M4s, they just have the regular bumper, not this. But this is kind of crazy. I'm actually curious what company produced this and who made it, because that is a really cool diffuser. The car does run, from what we can tell, perfectly, because we got it moved yesterday. Kind of a process. My phone did die, so I wasn't able to actually record us actually maneuvering it in here, but let's just say it was a lot of hard work to get it in there, and now it's here. So, let's see the inside. Now I can give you guys a quick little tour. As you guys can see, got the little M4 logo there. It does have the DCT transmission, so dual clutch transmission, which is really cool. Hopefully we're gonna play around with that a little bit once the car is fixed, but this car is honestly insane. This is like nothing like the 335s we've had, the 328s. This is like the ultimate dream BMW, and it is really good spec because it's like carbon fiber everywhere. It's white outside, which is a great color. It's low mileage, only 52,000 miles on this guy, which is pretty crazy for a 2016. I didn't really get a look at the back, but I guess I'll try to hop in there. Let's see, how much room do we... This is actually quite spacious, I can't lie. You could probably do quite a few things back here. Pretty comfy back here, but I'm gonna stick to the front because it's my car, or our car, but I'll be in the front, not the back. It only needs to be comfy for me. Oh wow, it actually says M4 right here as well. I didn't even realize that. Kind of cool.
Just in case you need a reminder.
Looks like the previous owner left us an undeveloped Polaroid. And ooh, they went to get boba right before this car crashed. Should have got the boba after. Here's the mirror. Honestly, we could probably just pop this guy back in and I think we're good to go. So this did have a carbon fiber piece up here, like that one, but it's missing. So yeah, but at least we have the part number so we can find this mirror, because based off of my initial research, the mirror's like really expensive, but what can you expect with a car like this? Carbon fiber side skirt, little extensions here. It looks really sick. Dang, these wheels are from 2017. Did this guy never switch these tires, or am I tripping? Oh, tint all around. No sunroof because carbon, but tint all around. Looks really sick. It's like MTV Cribs, but MTV My Car. Ooh, look at that carbon fiber brace. Everything in here looks pretty stock to me. I don't really see anything different. Everything in here looks fairly good just based off of initial inspection here. I don't see any frame damage or anything along that line anywhere here where the actual hit was. It seems to me like someone ran over something and it like broke their whole suspension, because they must have been going fairly quick. Maybe like they veered off the side of the road. But if anyone knows the owner of this BMW, please reach out to me on Instagram. Maybe they have a video of the accident. It'd be cool to see, just kind of hear the story of this vehicle. we are very excited to be building this car. This is actually my dream BMW. This is my absolute favorite BMW that was ever created, was the F82 M4. Now, I know a lot of people love the M3, M5, whatever, but this M4 I think is the best possible M car you can buy. Now, I know other people have other dream cars. I do too. One day we're gonna get to that Lamborghini Huracan, but for now, this M4 is just right. I'm super stoked to be building this car with the rest of the guys over at Defyde. So we are super excited to present. This is the brand new build. Like I just showed you guys, this is gonna be the new build. Our 2016 BMW M4. I don't even know the color. I think it's Alpina white. Tinted everywhere, carbon fiber everywhere, plenty of goodies, 360 camera. This thing is loaded. Now, if you guys want to watch the journey of us building it together, make sure you subscribe down below, like the video, and just keep up to date with my channel because I will try to get these videos out as soon as possible. Now, I will mention that this car could take some time to get fixed because I do have other things going on. I do have a full-time job. Unfortunately, this is not my full-time job. I wish it was, but if you guys subscribe enough, maybe we'll have more builds in the future. And unlike most other YouTubers, I probably will not be doing giveaways because that is not my thing. I just want to make content, show you guys cool cars, drive them, whatever. No giveaways. Maybe in the future, if I do giveaways, you can quote this and remind me and say, you said no giveaways.
I'll give you 10 extra entries.
And if you do that, I will give you 10 extra entries for whatever giveaway we're running at that given time. Like I said, that is going to be the end of this video. There's not much more we're going to be doing for this specific video. I just wanted to show you guys picking up the new car. Now, the next video, we're going to be diving deeper into the actual damage. So we're going to be taking off body panels. I believe we're first going to start with the suspension because we want the car to be sitting perfectly right when we're actually working on the actual body damage. So the first thing we're gonna do is probably take a look at the suspension and start kind of gauging what parts we're gonna need to buy for that so we can get that figured out first. Now, if you wanna see that video, like I said, if you guys are excited to see this build and wanna see more videos on this car or any other car that we have, please comment down below any ideas you guys have for the car or videos you wanna see. Oh, and quick thing, if anyone knows anyone that wants to sponsor the build, feel free to tag them. Feel free to tag me on their account because any little partnership will be perfect. You know, if anyone wants to get me a little front lip, maybe a rim,
tires,
quarter panel, tires, anything. Honestly, I'll be happy with anything. So if you guys have any cool companies you want, make sure you tag them down below and we will take a look at them. And hopefully they sponsor us. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy.